Let's check out the absolutely amazing Runmefit GTR3 smartwatch and see if it's actually any good. This is what the box of it looks like. Okay. Okay, inside the box, first we get a quick manual here. Also our magnetic charger. And finally our watch itself. By the way, I have already used this watch for some time. And over here I have the pink version. Obviously we can get in multiple different colors. We also have very nice metal build quality on this watch. So you see the whole body on this watch is fully metal. Also very nice metal scroll wheel here and also very nice metal button over here. So this also can be customized for any action. So for example, let's see, I have currently set it to launch a flashlight for me. I will show you the functions a bit later. And this is what it looks like on my wrist. By the way, on this watch we also have this raise wrist wake function. You see, we even get always on display on this watch. At this price, that's absolutely ridiculous. So yeah, also the always on display is very nice on this watch as well. When it comes to the style and design, this watch definitely looks absolutely awesome. Also the display quality is very nice and bright as well on this watch. And also the strap also is actually fairly decent. So we get this kind of a bit of soft touch feel on this strap. Also you see we have these ridges here as well. And also the buckle also feels very nice and basically pleasant to the touch. And when you actually wear this watch, definitely it feels actually very good on the hand. So you see on the back, I guess we maybe probably have like ceramic or glass back. So you see the build quality definitely is absolutely superb on this watch. As you see, we also even have the speaker and also a microphone. So yep, we can even like take and receive calls on this watch as well. So yeah, when it comes to build quality, this really is top class. And let's check out everything we get on this watch. First, if I swipe down, you see I have my quick menus, quick settings here. For example, I can quickly change my brightness of the display. As you see, I can also use my scroll wheel here to interact basically with everything on the watch. So yeah, scroll wheel also is actually very decent on this watch. And if you want to go back, you can either press your scroll wheel or also swipe like this. Okay, from the left side essentially, or again use your scroll wheel simply. So if I swipe up, you see I can get my notifications, maybe SMS or WhatsApp or whatever you have, maybe even email. If I swipe like this, you see I have various like widgets and tiles. For example, I can quickly launch my recently used apps over here. Also, I can see my activity here, so you see how many steps I have done, calories, distance and stuff like that. Also see if I browse further, I can also see my step count history for the day, distance, calories and how much basically I have done in each hour. Okay. Also, we have this activity index on this watch as well. So you can probably read a bit here, but essentially it takes into consideration basically all your vitals, all your exercising and also basically your activity, and gives you a single score basically. So again, basically during this day, this will simply fill up and you'll be able to see it basically also for the previous days here as well. Basically how active you have been. So again, this is actually very useful just to judge basically how active you are. Okay, for example, also we can check out our weather here. You see how nice the system actually looks like. So you can see the date for the next days, forecast, sunset, sunrise. So you see just how insanely advanced this watch actually is. We can also control our music here as well. So if you have something playing on your phone, you can control it. Sleep tracking also this watch has. Also, yeah, basically recent calls, alarms. So again, basically, I think, yeah, basically, so all the activity and recent stuff will be basically when you swipe like this. So if I swipe from the right side, see I can get more of these tiles. Okay, so also if I press my scroll wheel, let's see, you can also launch all my apps over here. For example, I can quickly start a workout here. So for example, As you see, you can see basically your heart rate here, calories burned and stuff like that, so it will track everything. Also, as you see, you can also like switch between the music controls, so you can also easily control the music. So you see, once I actually place a finger on the heart rate sensor, it actually starts to measure the heart rate here. Okay, and if you want to see all the apps, so let's click this plus. So, and there are absolutely crazy amount of different exercises you can actually add. So you see probably something like 100, no idea how many, but as you see, it's totally loaded to the brim with exercise that you can do on this watch. Yeah, so way too many. Okay, next as you see, you can also see your exercise history right on the watch itself. So you see, for example, for some walking I did. But obviously you can open the phone app and you'll see much more over there. Also, as you see, yep, we even have like phone calling option on this watch as well. Either you can select from the contacts or open up a keypad and dial something. But obviously you have to have your phone in range. This doesn't have internal SIM card. So you see, if I call a random number, basically. So yeah, we can literally make and receive calls on this watch as well. And also the speaker quality also is very nice and loud actually on this. Microphone also is very decent when I actually tested. So yep, we can actually get this in very decent quality on this watch at this price. That's actually quite actually impressive. So you see, you have your heart rate tile here. So you can also see even the average. So yeah, it screams that I'm not wearing it. Okay, anyway, also we can check our stress here as well, stress levels. We can even measure that if you care about that stuff. Also, we can even check blood oxygen levels here as well. So yep, as you see, we can even measure the blood oxygen here as well. Okay. Also, like breathing rate, sleep tracking if you care about that stuff. And again, this like activity index that you can see how active you have been during the day, weather, notifications, so what's under more. So you see, you can also use Find My Phone function over here, also turn on my flashlight. By the way, also you can customize this button also to turn on flashlight. So calendar and stuff like that. So if I go in my settings, so you see, we literally have always on display here as well, and also the raise wrist to wake function here as well. So you can also change the watch face here if you want to. Okay, let me go. We can also access the settings from there. Okay, so you see, if I, okay, this shortcut button, so you see I can quickly launch these things by simply pressing this button. For example, let's set a phone. So if I press the button now, you see it opens up my phone app and I can quickly call someone. And also let's quickly check our phone app. So you see, if you can see your activity index here for the past days. If I click this, you can probably see about it better. Okay. Also my step count history for the today and also for the week and months as well. Distance covered, like calories, active calories burned, your heart rate date here, so the lowest, highest, average, blood oxygen, sleep tracking. So yeah, so it's actually absolutely amazing. We even get sleep tracking at this price on this watch as well. If I press this, you will be able to see your past exercise data, or also can quickly start the workout here as well, directly from the phone. So also see, you can see your battery level. By the way, when it comes to battery life, also it's actually very decent. So I think you can definitely get like this very decent usage well over a week when it comes to battery life. So again, battery life also is very decent on this one, but obviously it will depend how you use. Maybe if you are very frugal, so if you do not use it much, maybe you can even stretch it further. So for example, we can also like download a bunch of watch face over here. So you see we actually have quite decent selection here. So for example, if you want to download some watch face, literally click on it and let's click download, and it will send over to the watch. Okay, so you see we have our new watch face on this watch. Also, what's cool, we can even create our own watch face as well. For example, let me take a picture of this flower here. So if I go in my watch face here, click this, change the background, so we can set this, so even like scale it just as you want it. Okay. And yeah, let's click apply. So yep, as you see, the phone app also is very advanced on this watch. And also see we can even like download additional applications on the watch. For example, like cycle tracking here. So this Pomodoro, let's try it out. So I haven't tested this. So you see it's installing additional application. So I guess if we go in the all apps, okay, we have to go in the more actually, and then as you see we have our new application installed. Also you can change various settings here as well, so just as you need. And overall, is the new GTR3 actually worth it, and should you maybe get one? Well, yep, if you're looking for extremely nice looking watch, which also has top line build quality, so very nice metal body, also very decent straps, and best of all, very decent features, then this is probably one of the best watches out there. Also, yep, we can even literally make and receive calls here as well. And again, what I like about this watch, we can obviously see our activity, like basically level very easily. So again, this is actually absolutely awesome feature on this watch. Also, overall, the system performance also is actually very decent, so it's very smooth, and also it actually looks very decent here as well. So for this price, I think, yeah, it's absolute bargain really. By the full disclaimer, just like with other smartwatch on the channel, this company also sent me over this watch to check it out, but they haven't actually paid me anything or asked to say anything about it. By the way, in the description, I'll leave special discount link where you can get this watch for the absolutely cheapest price. So if you're looking for extremely cool looking watch with also top line build quality, then this is absolutely awesome. Good luck.